Hello everyone, it's Hussam, the Nomad entrepreneur. During the past couple of years, I have helped hundreds of investors to invest in real estate in Georgia. As a matter of fact, there are a lot of challenges for foreigners to investing in real estate in this beautiful country. From the language barrier and the market research to the lack of legal knowledge. In this video, I'm going to provide you with some legal knowledge so you don't get scammed. If you are interested, keep watching. First, everyone should know that it is prohibited for foreigners to buy an agricultural land in Georgia. And before purchasing a real estate in Georgia, make sure to check if there is any debt, mortgage, or tax on the property. On the other side, to attract foreign investors, the Parliament of Georgia made regulations as easy as possible. A person can own different types of properties at the same time. There is no restriction for the amount of it. And you can register the property ownership in just 1 hour. According to the law of Georgia, we have two general forms of ownerships in Georgia. Sole, one person, individual ownership, and common, two or more people ownership. And there are some specific types as well: Usufruct, Servitude, Supercities, and future ownership. Each one of these types limits the owner rights or grant some rights to the neighboring properties. So let's start with Usufruct. It is when you get a property to use it as the owner, but with restrictions. Usufructuary cannot sell, mortgage, transfer the property by inheritance, or rent the property. Usufruct rights may exist temporarily or for the entire life of the usufructuary. Now let's continue with servitude. In this type, one property owner has certain powers over the neighboring property to use his real estate fully and properly. For example, servitude owner is able to build a road on a neighboring plot of land. Just to be able to access his land, he has the power to build a road in his neighboring property. Now we have superficies. In this case, the land may be transferred to another person for use with heritable and alienable right to build structure, as well as the right to lend or lease such rights. Superficies only can use on a land and not on other types of properties. And it's valid for maximum of 99 years. So there is no an apartment with a superficies right. It's only for lands. The fourth type is the future ownership. This is the ownership type when parties agree about the transfer of ownership to a buyer upon the prior payment, and the ownership transfers only after full price payment. So it is mostly common and used for the hotel apartment. If you are buying an apartment in a hotel apartment building or in a complex under construction, you will have to be a future owner until the process of the building or the construction finishes. And then you will become a future owner. So mostly if you are buying on an installment from any building companies, you will be registered first as a future owner, and you have to demand that so to protect your interest. The fifth type of ownership is sole ownership and individual ownership. A person can have an individual ownership of an apartment and the other spaces of the building. Garage, for example. In this case, owner has full power over the premises. So this is the type of ownership you should have if you are buying any kind of properties, land, apartments. You need to be the sole owner of the property. Make sure to check that. Finally, co-ownership. A person can have co-ownership, which means that the property belongs to not only one person, but two or more others. They together have rights as owners and they manage this property with common wishes. Only with the agreement of all co-owners, it is possible to change the legal status of the property. I hope you liked the video. Now, tell me in the comments, have you started investing in real estate in Georgia? If yes, how was your experience? If no, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload new videos.